Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to divide both sides by dx. Next, this one, and this one, they are degree number 3. So this is about homogeneous. Now, we need to put about y equals to vs. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First, the derivative of s, we have number 1, and we can put about v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So, I will put this one going here and here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have vs to the power of 3. This one we have v to the power of 3s to the power of 3. Later that, we simplify s to the power of 3 for the both sides. Next, I will put v go to the right, and later that we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. Later that, we do common denominator. So this one we have v and v to the power of 4. So v minus v we cancel. So that means we just have only negative v to the power of 4. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So 1 divided by v to the power of 4. We can put like this. V to the power of 3 over v to the power of 4. We have 1 over v. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have v to the power of 4, negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. The next one, that is about ln of the absolute value of v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s. This one we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. About v, that is about this one. Now we need to divide both sides by s. Later that we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.